Hey guys, Jared Wesley here of Live Traders back for another trade review. Quick recap, guys. I took two trades today, KHC and KORS cores. I made $580.60. So kind of like yesterday, so. We're really looking for $1,000 to $2,000 days, but you know what? We'll take 500, 1,000 here. It all adds up at the end of the month. One of the things you're going to notice is that with real trading, not simulator trading, armchair warriors, things of that nature, is that you do take slippage in real trading. Spreads matter in real trading, okay? And also, occasionally, you'll miss a stock. So pennies make a big difference as well as seconds, okay? Pennies and seconds. So, for example, today I missed boot, B-O-O-T, by about 3 seconds, and then the thing took off and hit target, okay? So I was very disappointed by that because it probably cost me $500 or $600, but that's reality trading. You do the best you can to catch your list, and you know what was disappointing about boot was simply, it was one of my 4 favorite ideas. I take a gap list of 15 ideas, and I dwindle it down to my 4 or 5 favorites, and boot was my number 2 favorite today, and I missed it. So that's unacceptable. That's a lack of focus, and I'm going to have to adjust that for tomorrow. So anyway, the boot was a great gap. I'm not going to talk as much about it simply because I missed it. But again, a gap over the $26 area, which is over a pivot and room to go higher. If I go to the 1-minute chart, there's an engulfing bar at 26 bucks. The stop would be 25.50, and boom, you can see it went up about 2 to 1, which is what we're looking for, 1.5 to 2 to 1. So I was bummed that I missed it, and I'll show you down here in my orders that, and again, you can see this in the video, but boot right there, buy 1,000, 2601, and I just missed it. You see it at 9:32 and 3 seconds. It triggered literally like 9:32.0. So it was just a tad too late on that, literally a couple seconds. So anyway, let's talk about what I did actually trade today. So KHC, guys, was the first trade I took today, and honestly, the daily chart on this wasn't that great. It was just okay, right? So you have a big wide range green bar and then 2 red days that pulled back a little bit on this. So it was just okay, all right? So the gap down today, if we go to the 60-minute, was, again, so-so, right? You're gapping under this area with room down to about 58 bucks. So I found an opportunity in that range. There's about a $2 or $3 range there to trade this thing. And it ended up being a very nice pattern. But for my management, it didn't quite work, right? So under $60 with a stop right here at 60.32, okay? And it went down about 35, 40 cents. And we needed about 50 cents. So it almost got to our target and came back up. And as you guys know, I'm more of a scalp trader. So I don't let stocks pull back against me that often. I try not to take full stops on stocks. If I lose, I like to lose on partials. Okay, so this thing went down. I took a little bit off the table. I ended up making $213.41 on this. It was unfortunate and disappointing because at one point I was up about $500 on the P&L, and I was very close to just walking away from it. I was looking for like an extra $100, and that cost me. So anyway, this thing pulls back, and then it stops me at break even on the rest of my shares. So we have to live with $213.41. Okay, the next trade was cores, guys, KORS. Now the daily chart, guys, on cores, pretty nice. You're gapping up to this area at $67 with room to 70. But here's the thing. Once it breaks 70, rocket fuel. Let's go to the weekly chart, right? Look at the weekly, guys. Once it breaks $70, this thing is awesome. Over $70, it's rocket fuel, okay? So I go down to the daily. You can see us breaking 70. Let's go down to the 5-minute chart, and there you go. Wide bar, then a topping tail bar, and right at the $70 mark. So I looked at it and said, you know what, guys? I can't justify a $1 stop loss. We got to find a slightly tighter stop loss. So I ended up using a 70-cent stop loss. It filled me better than expected. I got filled at $69.86, okay? It ended up going about $1. So I ended up making $406 on a trade I was hoping to make $500 to $600 on. So it had $500 or $600 in it, and I saw it, and I just let it come back a little bit against me, and it was my fault. So in all, guys, truth, I really poorly managed the cores, okay? See, when we talk about the KHC, I was looking for a bigger move, so it was okay to let it go. Coors, I was looking for a scalp pop, and I kind of talked about that in the video. I want a scalp pop on this. I should have gotten out at 500 and walked away. Instead, I got 406. So all in all, together, I made $580.60. That puts us at about $2,000 or $3,000 for the week, and it's only what, Wednesday, something like that. Okay, so you can make good money, guys, in trading, but you have to listen to real traders, real money professional traders with their account numbers open and their fills and all of that stuff, guys. You know why? You want to know the real reason why I keep saying this to you guys? It's because simulator trading is not real. You don't get real fills, guys. I see guys out there taking 10,000 shares of Tesla. No, they're not, right? I see guys taking 20,000 shares of these little stocks. You're not getting filled, okay? I mean, you need to understand that real trading has consequences. Simulator trading doesn't. It's okay to start for 2 to 4 weeks on simulator. If you're going to do simulator, fine, 2 to 4 weeks. Then get into real money. Small risk, $10 risk, $20 risk, okay? You shouldn't be up at the $500 or $1,000 range like me. You should be at $10, $20 risk until you build your experience, right? And you have a reason to raise risk. You earn the right to raise your risk, guys. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying these lessons that I'm giving, because this is real lessons from a real trader. Okay, you see my losing days. I do videos of my losing days too, guys. All right, so again, stocks like Coors, right now it's not that spready. But earlier on, it had a 30-cent spread, 20-cent spread. You have to consider those things when you're getting into a trade. How much room to give your limit order, okay? How big does your stop need to be? One of the not funny, it's actually very serious, but one of the worst things that I see in this industry is people coming in saying they're buying 3,000 or 4,000 shares of a stock. It's got a 40-cent spread. And then they go, oh, look at my fill. I got filled perfect. No, you didn't, okay? And when they stop out, they don't take slippage. Yes, you do. Okay, that's real stuff. So I want people to show you their actual fills, their actual orders, the originator number, the account number, all of that stuff. They don't do that because most guys are armchair warriors out there, okay? So if you want to be a real trader, you want to be a profitable trader, you want to be a flexible trader, you follow Jared Wesley at Live Traders. Click the link below and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And stick around, guys, because the video montage will follow this. So you'll get to see in real time KHC, Coors, and also the miss on boot today. All right? Have a good one, guys. You can find me at jared@livetraders.com. Take care. Stick around for the montage that follows this. All right, guys. We're going to open here in less than a minute. We have our favorites, CYBR over 69 bucks. It's already over 69 by a little bit. Boot over 26. Car under 36 and MEDP under 54. Guys, Boot. 50 cent stop. Boot. Shit, I got nothing, guys. You get anything? I got nothing on Boot. I'm gonna keep my order in, try to pay up, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna get it. Some of the shorts are going higher now, guys. KHC. We'll see what happens with this thing.
Order filled.
All right. Try to get like 55 on this if we can, guys. That's the goal. I'm going to take some off at the 1 hour mark here at 65 if we get there. Stop to 60.10. Ah, come on. Take the order. Shit. Sorry, guys. Ah, there we go.
Order filled.
All right. 55 is going to be the target, guys. All right. Hopefully it gets there. If not, then you know, we'll get 200 bucks out of it. All right, moving on, guys. I'm gonna give Cyber a shot, guys. I mean, the spread on this thing, jeepers creepers, man. Guys, look at the spread on this thing.
Order filled.
All right, out KHC, guys. Out KHC. 200 bucks. This spread on Cyber is bugging me. It's 30 plus cents, guys. That's almost half our stop. It's almost half of our stop. I really like it, and it probably goes higher. It has that $70 mark to overcome. I think it might be worth a shot. The problem I have with cores is the range and the stop loss, right? So I can't justify $1 on this thing. But that's what the 15-minute would be in about 10 minutes. So how do we justify cores? Maybe a 70-cent stop, guys. Let's do that. Let's do cores. 70-cent stop, guys. Here it is. Cores 70 by 69.30 aggressive, guys. This is aggressive. The core spread opens up. I didn't realize it already popped 70.
Order filled.
Wow, this thing is
Order
whippy, guys.
filled.
Do you guys see this?
Order filled.
All right. I'm going to go stop break even, guys. I'm going to go stop break even. Okay. See if it comes back up and breaks the half number. I'm not going to get as much out of this, guys. I'm kind of nickeling and diming it a little bit.
Order filled.
All right. So we'll see. I really didn't manage this very well. But anyway, stop break even, of course. For me, that's like 69.90. You know, we'll see if we can't get another pop into this area, guys. All right. I'm tempted to walk away, guys. Just take an R today.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out cores, guys. I didn't get quite an R. Where I got filled, I actually got just over an R from where I got filled. Does that make sense? My risk was just only about 400 bucks on this. So I'm going to say out cores for 1R. All right. So that should give us, I don't know, maybe 600 bucks today, something like that. Yeah, 580. Okay, a little less than I thought.